If you don't learn these AI tools now, you might be replaced in the next 12 months. That's not a joke. That's not clickbait. This isn't some distant future sci-fi movie. It's happening right now, this very second. The ground is shifting under our feet, and entire industries are about to be wiped out. Jobs that have existed for decades, gone. Skills that took years to master, made obsolete overnight. But you clicked on this video. That means you're different. We're diving straight in because the clock is ticking. Pay close attention. First up, the one you've all heard of, but have no idea how powerful it truly is. ChatGPT and its big brother, GPT-4. This isn't just a fun chatbot. It's a full-blown cognitive engine. Writing legal documents, drafting marketing emails, creating entire books. Handling customer service inquiries better than most humans. Every entry-level writing job, every basic research assistant, every Tier 1 customer support agent. Companies can now deploy this AI to do the work of 10 people. Research a complex topic, write a 5,000-word article, summarize it into a Twitter thread, create a script for a video about it, all before lunch. The value of just writing is plummeting to zero. What matters now is your ability to direct the AI, ask the right questions, structure the right prompts, become the architect of the information, not just the builder. First, become an AI consultant, or a prompt engineer. Next, we're coming for the coders. For years, learning to code was the golden ticket. Not anymore, at least not in the way you think. GitHub Copilot, Replit Ghostwriter. These aren't just fancy autocompletes. They are AI pair programmers that live inside your editor. They can write entire functions, debug complex problems, translate code from one language to another in seconds. This technology is vaporizing the need for junior developers on boilerplate code or simple bug fixes. The AI already knows the answer and suggests it instantly. This dramatically increases the productivity of senior developers, allowing one person to do the work of 5. If all you can do is write simple scripts, your job is on the chopping block. It's simple. You become a one-person software agency. Offer rapid prototype services. Build a functional prototype in a weekend for a fraction of the cost. Even better, build and sell your own SaaS products. You become the ultimate tech problem solver, building solutions at lightning speed and charging premium prices for the results. Let's move from code to creativity. Midjourney. DALL-E 3. Stable Diffusion. They're not just image generators. They are creative nuclear bombs. Generate photorealistic images, complex illustrations, and entire brand identities from a single line of text. Direct threat to stock photographers, basic logo designers, and generic illustrators. Why pay hundreds for stock when you can generate a perfect custom image for pennies? This level of creative firepower used to require a team. Now, it requires one person and a good imagination. Sell the art itself, prints on Etsy or Society, or create NFT collections. Offer on-demand design packs for businesses. Deliver 50 social graphics, a blog banner, and a logo in 48 hours for a flat fee. Run design as a service subscriptions and build recurring automated revenue. Now let's talk about video, the king of content. Not anymore. AI tools are demolishing those barriers. Synthesia lets you create videos with photorealistic AI avatars just by typing a script. No actors, no cameras, no studio. Pictory can turn a long article or a script into a video automatically with stock footage, music, captions. Runway can remove objects, extend a video's length with AI, and generate new video clips from text. Why hire an editor for a day when an AI can do it in minutes? Launch a scalable explainer video agency. Use Synthesia and Pictory to produce at scale and low cost. Sell AI video templates, real estate tours, restaurant promos, fitness tutorials. Create dozens of ad variations, A/B test, find winners, scale the campaign. Offer results, not just files. What we just saw for video is now happening for audio. ElevenLabs can create a perfect clone of your voice from just a few minutes of audio. Descript transcribes your audio. Edit the audio by editing the text. The AI regenerates the correct words seamlessly. Murf offers a massive library of AI voices. The need for human transcriptionists is disappearing fast. Sell voice clones as a service for brands and creators. CEOs and training videos. Creators launching podcasts. Premium, high value, scalable. Run podcast production almost entirely with AI. Edit in seconds, master audio, write show notes, and posts with ChatGPT. Create and sell audio courses and audiobooks. Use GPT-4 to write. ElevenLabs to narrate in multiple languages. Build a passive income library without a microphone. We've touched on writing, but now we're focusing on the highest value writing of all, copy that sells. AI platforms like Jasper, Copy.ai, WriteSonic are trained on high-converting marketing copy. They know the formulas, the psychological triggers, and the frameworks. Direct threat to copywriters and marketers who write basic ads, emails, social media posts. Your value shifts from crafting one perfect sentence to directing the AI to generate 100 and testing what works. Offer conversion copy packages, landing page copy, a 10-part email sequence, a month of social posts, 20 ad variations, produced in a day with AI. Run fully automated ad campaigns. Generate hundreds of variations. Test on small budgets. Auto-scale winners. Operate at efficiency clients can't match, and charge based on performance. Now we get into the stuff that happens behind the scenes. Robotic Process Automation, or RPA, is the silent job killer. These tools build software robots that mimic human actions on a computer. Data entry, accounts payable, HR onboarding, all can be fully automated. Bots don't get tired, don't make typos, work 24/7. One bot can replace an entire team. Become a freelance automation consultant. Analyze processes, identify bottlenecks, build RPA solutions worth tens of thousands. Package solutions, dentists, appointment reminders and claims, e-commerce, orders and inventory. Fixed installation, plus monthly maintenance for stable, predictable revenue. We've talked about video, but let's narrow in. Social media. They turn existing content, blogs, podcasts, plain text, into short clips in minutes. Lumen 5, paste a blog link, branded video, Veed, auto captions, cut silences, resize for platforms. Turn a creator's library into hundreds of clips. Deliver mass content at low price, high profit. Sell consistency and omnipresence. Work with dozens of creators. AI handles almost 90% of production. Offer monthly subscriptions to manage short-form strategy. Feed long-form into your AI pipeline and churn clips. Two industries seen as untouchable, law and finance. But AI is coming for them too. Harvey for law. Kira Systems for contract review. They do paralegal and junior associate work at superhuman speed. Analyze thousands of pages in minutes, flag clauses and risks. Faster, more accurately, for a fraction of the cost. In finance, AI analyzes market data, audits records, generates reports, automating junior tasks. Offer affordable legal doc audits, $500 AI pre-reviews for small businesses. Offer subscription financial insights, weekly KPI dashboards, cash flow projections, alerts. Compliance as a service, GDPR, HIPAA, monthly retainers. The role of the entry-level salesperson, the BDR telemarketer, is on the verge of extinction. A single person with Apollo.io, AI copywriting, and automated sequencing becomes a client acquisition machine. Build hyper-targeted lists, personalize emails, LinkedIn, reference company, role, recent activity. AI handles replies and books only warm, qualified meetings. Offer outsourced AI-driven lead generation, monthly retainer, steady, qualified meetings. Sell industry playbooks and consulting. Performance-based acquisition. You don't pay me unless I bring you a paying customer. take a percentage of every deal. 10 technologies that are either a tidal wave that will drown you, or a wave you can surf to incredible success. Pick one tool from this list, just one. Spend this weekend learning it, playing with it, and planning how to apply it. You have the roadmap. Now, you just need to take the first step. I've put together every tool mentioned, plus dozens more, with links and a guide. This is the complete toolkit. To get it, comment full list right now. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications to get weekly AI playbooks. Don't get left behind. The future is here. Let's build the future together.